Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Adobe Express for AI content automation on USA Teams, detailed guide step by step clearly. To install Adobe Express for AI content automation on USA Teams, first, ensure your device meets the system requirements for Adobe Express. Visit the official Adobe website. Locate the products menu and select Adobe Express. Once on the Adobe Express page, click the download button. Choose the version compatible with your operating system. Wait for the download to complete, then locate the downloaded file in your Downloads folder. Double-click the downloaded file to begin the installation process. Follow the on-screen prompts to start the installation. You may need to approve the installation by entering your device's administrator password. Select your desired installation options as prompted. Once the installation is complete, launch Adobe Express from your Applications menu or desktop shortcut. Sign in using your Adobe ID or create a new account if you don't have one. After signing in, navigate to the main dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the interface and tools available. To set up AI content automation, click on the Settings icon in the upper right corner. Select Integrations from the Settings menu. Find and connect to the AI tools you want to use for automation. Follow the integration instructions specific to each AI tool. Once integrated, return to the main dashboard. Start creating and automating your content using the AI features available. Explore templates and design elements to enhance your projects. Utilize the tutorials and help resources within Adobe Express for additional guidance. Regularly update the software to access new features and improvements. Make sure to back up your projects in Adobe Cloud for easy access across devices. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.